Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to leave a review on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to open Google Maps, go to the place where you want to leave the review. For example, I will choose this restaurant. Click on the name of it and just swipe up, and after that, as you can see, there is a menu here. Click on reviews, and here you can, as you can see, you can rate and review. For example, I will give it 5 stars. It will give you like what exactly was good on it. You can type your experience and give all those informations, and after that, click on post. And as you can see, we rated or we left a review on Google Maps for that business. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.